To fix the Frigidaire Oven F90 error, it is essential to understand the common causes of this issue. The F90 error code typically indicates a problem with the oven's temperature sensor or the electronic control board. First, check the temperature sensor for any signs of damage or corrosion. If the sensor is damaged, it may need to be replaced. Ensure the sensor is properly connected to the electronic control board. A loose connection can cause the F90 error, so verify that all connections are secure. Next, inspect the electronic control board for any signs of damage or wear. If the board is damaged, it may need to be replaced. Also, check the oven's wiring and connections to ensure they are not damaged or loose. Another common cause of the F90 error is a faulty or malfunctioning oven thermostat. If the thermostat is not working correctly, it can cause the oven to overheat or underheat, resulting in the F90 error. Check the thermostat for any signs of damage or wear and replace it if necessary. To troubleshoot the F90 error, start by resetting the oven's electronic control board. Unplug the oven from the power source and wait for at least 30 seconds before plugging it back in. This can sometimes resolve the issue. If the error persists, check the oven's user manual for specific troubleshooting instructions. It is also recommended to check the oven's temperature calibration. If the oven's temperature is not calibrated correctly, it can cause the F90 error. Consult the user manual for instructions on how to calibrate the oven's temperature. In some cases, the F90 error may be caused by a software issue. Check the Frigidaire website for any software updates for your specific oven model. Updating the software can sometimes resolve the issue. If none of these steps resolve the F90 error, it may be necessary to contact a professional appliance repair technician for further assistance. They can diagnose the issue and provide the necessary repairs to get your oven working correctly. Again,